we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Smearing the baffle with Vaseline may provide added protection. For a more entertaining solution, you could try attaching a slinky to the upper section of the bird feeder pole. The squirrels will have little luck because the slinky will drop them down as soon as they hang onto it.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.